Hello, this is Miss McCauley, your teacher. So today we're going to be working on lesson 24, session 2, practice. And it's also page 614, and lesson 24 is tell time. So, if you could please write your name at the top in this green space. My name is Miss McCauley, so that's what I'm going to write. But please, you write your name. As I'm going through this lesson, I may at times move through the lesson very quickly. If you find that you need more time to catch up, please pause the video so that you can catch up, and then unpause the video when you're ready to move on. Okay, here are the directions. Show the time on the clock. This clock says show 1 o'clock. So for 1 o'clock, the little hand, the little arrow, is pointing to the 1. And whenever you see 0 minutes, that means the minute hand, which is the big arrow, is pointing straight at the top of the clock, because the clock begins at 0 minutes. Okay, it's like this: 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So there we go. Make sure the small arrow or the small hand is pointing at 1, and the long hand or the minute hand is pointing at 12, because 12 means 0 minutes. If it's not really pointing at the 12, it's pointing at the minutes. Okay, hopefully you've drawn the hands and you're ready to move on to number 6. If you're not ready and you need more time, please pause the video so you can finish writing your hands. You do not have to write these minutes. Okay, number 6. Show 10 o'clock, or 10 with 0 minutes. So first we do the hour hand, which is the short hand, and we're going to have it pointed at the 10. Okay. Then we do the minute hand, which is the longer hand, and we have to point it at 0 minutes. This may look like 12, but this 12 is actually hours. We're not doing hours. But in the minutes, up at the top of the clock is 0 minutes. At the bottom of the clock is 30 minutes. So we're going to point this hand straight up to the top. The long hand, the minute hand, straight up. Now we're showing 10 o'clock. Go ahead and do that, please. Okay, number 7, show 4 o'clock. So on this side is the hour. See the 2 dots? On this side is the hours, and this side is the minutes. So the hour is 4. And the minutes are 0 minutes, which means it's the beginning of 4 o'clock. So go ahead and write that down. Okay, number 8, show 6 o'clock, or 6 with 0 minutes. So the hour has to go first. The hour is on this side of the dots. It's 6. Then the minutes is 0. Sometimes the clock will have 2 spaces, so they might have a 0 in front of the 6. it doesn't mean that. That just means there's nothing in front of the 6. And they might have a 0 in front of the 4 here. That just means there's nothing in front of the 4. Okay? There's no 10. There's no 10 here. There's just the 1s, the 4. Okay. Number 9. Show 8 o'clock. So what is the hour? Yes, the hour is 8. So let's make sure the hour hand, or the small arrow, is pointing at the 8. Okay. What is the minutes? Yes, it's 0 minutes. So where does the minute hand point to? Straight at the top, right here, with the 0 minutes. Right here. So I'm going to point straight at the top. It looks like it's pointing at the 12, right? But right above the 12 is the minutes right here. Do you see these dots? These are the minutes. So it's 0 minutes. Okay. Let's move on to number 10. What time does the clock show? Circle. So where is the hour hand pointing to? Yes, the hour is pointing to 9, so it's 9 is the hour. What are the minutes? Where is it pointing to? Straight to the top, which is the minute. So which one of these shows 9 o'clock? Right here, this one. Let's circle it. Okay. So what were we learning today? Today we're learning to write time to the hour.